Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can download messages from your Gmail inbox in 2026. So let us get started. For example, guys, if you'd like to save emails as a separate file, be it a Word or a TXT on your device, you can download mails from your Gmail account. So navigate to your inbox, be it in the web version of Gmail or the mobile version. And what you want to do, guys, is simply right-click into the given mail. No, right-clicking doesn't work. So excuse me, you will need to access the given mail. So click into it. You go with this one here. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is simply click into these three dots here. And there you go. You will see the download message feature. Click into it, and that is going to download the file in that file format here. As you can see, you will see also the download folder so that you may get redirected to it, to file size, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.